Samsung's next so-called budget king just leaked, and it perfectly sums up how Samsung plays the mid-range game. Do the absolute minimum, call it refinement, and pray no one notices. The Galaxy A57 5G has surfaced through China's TENAA certification, and yes, almost everything is already leaked because Samsung barely changed anything worth hiding. This isn't innovation, this is damage control with a press release. Let's start with the headline Samsung clearly wants you to focus on. It's thinner and lighter. The Galaxy A57 listed under model number A5760 now measures 161.5 by 76.8 by 6.9 millimeters and weighs 182 grams. That's right, Samsung shaved off 0.5 millimeters and dropped 16 grams compared to the Galaxy A56. Cue the applause. After years of making chunky mid-range slabs, Samsung finally figured out basic weight optimization in 2026. Revolutionary. They'll market this like a design breakthrough, even though competitors solved this problem years ago. To Samsung's credit, and this is rare, they didn't massacre the battery to achieve this. The A57 still carries a 5,000 milliamp hour battery with 45-watt charging support. But let's be honest, keeping the same battery while slimming the phone isn't generosity, it's overdue engineering competence. This is Samsung catching up to expectations, not exceeding them. The display remains a predictable 6.6-inch panel with a 1080 by 2340 resolution, safe, familiar, and completely unexciting. No upgrades, no surprises, no ambition. The Galaxy A57 is powered by an unnamed octa-core chipset with a tri-cluster CPU topping out at 2.9 GHz, backed by 2.6 GHz and 1.95 GHz cores. Samsung doesn't want you focusing too hard on the chip. Previous leaks suggested the Exynos 1680, and if that's true, expectations should stay low. Samsung's offering 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM with 256 GB storage sounds impressive until you realize there's no micro SD slot. Once again, Samsung removes budget-friendly features while pretending to add value. A 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel secondary sensor, and a 5-megapixel third sensor on the back, plus a 12-megapixel selfie camera up front. If this sounds familiar, that's because it is. Samsung didn't retain the camera system. They avoided changing it because it was good enough and cheap enough to keep. No sensor upgrades, no new optics, no reason to be excited. The Galaxy A57 previously showed up in the IMEI database under model number SMA576B, confirming multiple variants including SMA576U. That just tells us Samsung plans to sell this everywhere because safe mediocrity sells globally. According to leaks, the Galaxy A57 will launch in February alongside the Galaxy A37. Pricing isn't official yet, but expect Samsung to charge just enough to make you question whether you should have saved a little more or bought something else entirely.